Hello, my name is Valentina Arteaga and I want to describe a haunted house. Um, Last Saturday night, I went to a haunted house located in my city. When entering, it was terrifying. I was very afraid and there was a feeling of chill on me. The house was not very big. There were two bedrooms, a bathroom, kitchen, and patio. Between all the rooms in the first, there was a very large bed with the anti blankets, and there were mirrors through the room. In the second room, there was nothing. It was empty, if not for a presence. I thought it was a ghost. After entering that room, I was as if they followed me all night. When I entered to the bathroom, I managed to see something in the mirror. I looked like a person, but there was no one else there. After that, I decided to run. Thanks.